Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is November 23rd, 2018, and I'm going to be checking on the seeds I'm germinating under the Shangsite LED grow light. And I did put this up a little bit closer to the light. I put it on a food tray just to get it a little bit closer. The light, so I'm going to spin this here. Take this out. See what germinated. It is nice and warm in here. So let's see here. And the lettuce seedlings did come up. So I'm going to be taking these, oopsies. I'm going to be taking these out here real quick. See, the lettuce did germinate here. Here's one of them. Here's the other one. Have to balance that back out there. Okay, so I have my lettuce seedlings there. I'm going to re-put the tray back on this Jiffy container here so I can get the heat back in there. I didn't let the lettuce in there because it's really warm in there, and I don't want my lettuce to grow too quickly, so I'm going to give it the fresh air. And I did look at the eggplant and the tomato. From what I've seen, they did start germinating. So I got this all nice and sealed back up. I'm just going to slide this back here just a little bit. It's still under the light. And I'm putting my lettuce seedlings right here. So, now, it says for seedlings you can have the light 8 to 18 inches away. The light's about 16 inches away from the seedlings. So, from the top of my 6-pack container here to actually where the light is, it's about 8 inches. So, and that's the height that they want the light, 8 to 18 inches, so we're good on that. And then they tell you to have the light on for 10 to 16 hours a day. Mine's set up for 14 hours a day. I have it set up on a timer so it automatically shuts itself off. So we're going to see how these grow under here. Now, the reason why the lettuce looks a different color is because of the red and blue lights. I'll actually show you what it looks like under a regular light here. I'll take these here real quick and I'll show you. So this is under one of my regular LED grow lights here. I just wanted to show you the green lettuce came up. So it does make this look different under the other light because of the red and blue lights that they have in it. So I'm going to put this back under there. And we're going to see how it grows. When the tomato and the eggplant actually come up, I will come back with another video and I will show you what and I'll show you. So that box back there is heating up nice for me again, and it did heat the box inside up really nice. This light here heated this box up, so I didn't have any germination mat under it or anything like that. I left the light itself heat up the enclosed container, and that's how I germinated the lettuce seeds, and that's how I'm germinating the tomato and the eggplant too, because I know that not everybody has like a germination mat, or I know that they don't have like a grow box or something like that. So I'm experimenting with the light to see if it keeps the containers up enough and the soil up enough for the seeds to sprout and germinate. And from what I'm seeing, it's working. So that's a really good thing. Now, I am wearing sunglasses while working around this light. I do recommend that you wear sunglasses with it. So I found a pair of my sunglasses and I've been using them when I work around it. And I'll put a link down in the description for this particular light. But so far from what I'm seeing, I'm very happy and pleased with the results. Now, as you can see on here, not all of these germinated yet. So what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to be checking the soil for moisture to make sure that the soil stays nice and moist. And if it needs water, I'm going to be watering it to make sure that it doesn't dry out and hurt the germination process. So that's something I'm going to be checking. When you have seedlings that come up like this, where not all of them come up in the same cells, you can take them out of their trays. Just make sure that you keep the other cells nice and moist so that the seeds have a chance to continue germinating. So I just wanted to throw that tip in there for you, because if I would have left them in the tray, because of all of the heat in there, they would have kept growing, and they would have grown faster than what I wanted them to actually grow, and then you get like longer stems, and I don't want to do that. So it's important to get your seedlings out of their enclosed containers as soon as possible and get them under the lights. And it's cooler out in the room itself than what it is in that enclosed tray. Plus it also gives them a chance to get more like carbon dioxide and more airflow. So that's why I take mine out.
And I said I had put this up some. A rough estimate is from about here to the top of the light. It was about 8 inches away from the light. So today is November 28th, 2018, and I want to check on my eggplant and my tomato seedling under here. So I'm going to take the lid off here. These did germinate for me. Okay, this is my tomato here. Now this got a little bit taller than what I wanted it to. When I checked on it, it hadn't come up yet, and with all the heat in there, it just grew a little bit further than what I wanted it to, but it's no big deal. We can bury that stem when I transplant it. And my eggplant here did germinate. I'm still waiting for the coating to come off, so I'm going to take these out of this container here. And let me move this here. Whoops. I'm going to put these right under this light here. So the good news is you can germinate eggplants under this light, and we reached the proper temperature that we needed for it to germinate. And now I didn't have any heat. I didn't have a heating mat or anything under this. I just left the light heat my enclosed container up, and that's how I germinated the eggplant. Eggplant is one of those ones, if you don't get it warm enough, it won't germinate for you. So I'm going to give you an update here real quick on the lettuce. Let me show you here real quick on the other side.
So this is my lettuce over here growing. Now again, because of the light being the red and the blue, it's showing everything being like a pink color. But you can see how far away I have the light from these seedlings, and they're not growing tall, they're not growing spindly, they're staying nice and thick. That's really good. I can honestly tell you, on all of my other lights, if I tried to grow my plants that far away from the light as seedlings, it would not work. They would be growing tall and spindly and falling over, and they wouldn't be getting enough light. But under this Shang Site LED grow light, they're staying nice and compact for me. I'm really pleased with that. And as you can see, more of my lettuce seeds are germinating. So far, I'm very pleased with this, and I'm going to continue to grow these on and come back with more videos and give you updates as they continue to grow. I'll show you here real quick on one of my other lights how close I have to keep everything.
So I wanted to show you here, this is one of my other fluorescent lights. Now this is an LED light. It has the sunshine bulbs in it, and I wanted to show you how close I have my seedlings to this light. And I have to keep these this close to keep them growing nice and short for me, and keep them growing nice and sturdy for me. So there's a big difference between growing with one of these lights and growing with the Shang Site LED light. And see here how far away I have the light. And I'm very, very pleased with how these are growing. I'm going to actually bring these up here into more light here. And you can see here, they're growing nice. This one here is starting to get its true leaves. So I'll come back with a video and I will show you how to feed them. Now I am going to be feeding these organic because this is my lettuce and I want to feed it an organic plant food. So I'm going to show you then how to feed it in my next video. And another thing, I am still checking the soil to make sure it stays nice and moist. So I have a few here I'm going to be watering so my lettuce seeds continue to germinate. I'm going to put them back down here under the light. And this is the other pack of lettuce. I took it out from under the light. You can see here how it's growing. And so I'm going to show you real quick here how I water my lettuce seedlings. Now I just put some water in this clean container here, and I put my lettuce seedlings in, and I'm going to let them suck the water up from the bottom. And the reason why I'm doing that is I want to keep the leaves nice and dry, and you want to make sure, like when you water your lettuce, that you're using good clean water, because it's something that you're going to be eating then. So when my soil feels moist on top, I will take these out of their container then, and I will put them back under the light. I'll probably have to check this container here for water in case I run out before these are finished rehydrating. And when you fill your container up, be careful how full you fill it, because when you put your containers in, it's going to raise the water level. So we don't want to overflow it and have water running on the floor. I'm very pleased with the progress so far. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and show them to you. Now the only reason that this tomato plant here and the eggplant got taller is because I missed when they first came up. And in that enclosed box with all that heat in there, they just kind of grew pretty quick. So we got them out of there. I normally like to get my seedlings out as soon as I start seeing them come up, but I missed those two, so that's what happened. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.